Interesting question. How did life on Earth start? The human race started a long time ago, and there are components that our body needs to sustain life. As we grow up, we begin to ask questions, such as how humans are formed, where we came from, or who were the first people who lived on Earth. But more than that, what are the components and factors that create and maintain life? We learned in science class that the cell is the basic unit of life. But where did these cells that provide the structure for our bodies originate? Firstly, we need amino acids that create molecules. And those molecules, in turn, will create a protein that is vital in forming cells. But before this process of cell production begins, the amino acids need to be in their most organized and accurate form. Join us as we discuss in more detail the components that maintain life. You can like our page for more scientific facts that explain the complexity and beauty of creation. Human bodies contain trillions of cells, and there are over 200 different types of cells that have a specific function and are vital to sustaining life. So it solely depends on how accurately protein molecules are made. When we leave it to chance, it takes only 1 out of 10 to the 164th power chance of being successful. And imagine, there are countless numbers of them that need to be correctly made to maintain growth and development. These complex materials that are the building blocks of life inside us, such as protein and amino acids, are intricately structured to perform their own specific functions. One simple mistake created in its development will cause a disruption. So it's hard to say that it will magically create by chance the right sequence. It would take a very long time, such as 5 billion years, and is impossible when we look at how life should thrive. The human body's microscopic parts are the main reason why the organ system works. Each component produced is assigned to a task that helps the overall function of life inside the body. It's amazing how the Earth was sustained with life, despite the many natural conditions that would have hindered its continuity. Could there be someone powerful and with enough genius behind it? The answer is yes, there is. No created being is an accident, because every function of our body is perfectly designed. It is not by chance or simple interaction that the continuity of life has been sustained. There is an amazing God who crafted our lives into existence. His design was the only factor that made life possible, and apart from him, there is nothing else.